Hello and welcome back, everyone. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about cottage gardening. What is cottage gardening? Basically, it's a multi-use space. It's not just reserved for flowers, vegetables, or fruits, meaning you're going to have less disease problems, less pest problems compared to those single-use spaces. This area behind me, 10 to 12 feet wide, 4 feet deep. So it's a very manageable size. I love coming out here, having some dinner with friends or family, enjoying some drinks, and just checking out the flowers, maybe grabbing tomatoes from the garden to add to the dinner. And when it's warm out, the orange thyme I have here smells absolutely divine if you've never smelled it. When it gets nice and warm, it starts releasing that aroma. There's almost not a better scent in the world, especially in a nice hot summer's day. So in this little space, I have Amsonia, strawberries, mint, onions, strawberries, lavender, tomatoes, catmint, peppermint, spearmint, orange thyme, creeping thyme, rosemary, azalea, dahlias, Maltese cross. I think I touched on everything. So with everything intermingled like this, I'm gonna have a lot less disease problems. It's usable, it's not just beautiful. So I can pull up some onions, like I said, or tomatoes or strawberries, or grab some mint for some tea or drinks. And it's something that can be done damn near everywhere, whether it be in a drier climate, a wetter climate, a colder climate, warmer climate. The only thing that's going to change is the plants. And like I said, this space is 10 to 12 feet wide, 4 feet deep, so it's very manageable. You don't need a big space. You can make a big space for a cottage garden, or if you just have a patio or a deck, get some pots, flowers, fruits, vegetables, intermix them, and you have a little cottage garden there yourself, just right there in pots. Now you see a little video tour I did. So like I said, it's beautiful, it's functional. A cottage garden is hard to beat, especially when, like I said, it's right here off the patio. Enjoy it with friends, especially if you're not a big either flower or vegetable gardener. You can still intermingle some of those plants you don't care to do, just to help out with your disease and pest resistance without sacrificing the rest of your garden if that's something you're looking for. And it's something that's been around for a very, very long time. So there's plenty of information out there, whether it be for myself or other gardeners. So go out there, have a look, give it a try for yourself. And until next time, everyone, bye-bye.